Let's see how to know if your sent email has been read or not. You need to install Email Tracker extension on your Google Chrome. Now I have sent an email, for example. There is one green check mark. That means your email has been sent. Now there are two green check mark. This means your email has been read by the receiver.